Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the mail app is gone from your iPhone. So when you have used the mail app for a long time but it's randomly gone, or when you have just used your phone for a while, not for a while, and now it's randomly gone, then here's how you can get your mail app back. There's actually only one reason for why it's gone, and that's basically because the mail app is just a normal app that you can remove from your home screen and also from your app library, meaning it will be completely removed from your entire device. However, luckily you can easily get your mail app back by going into the App Store over on your iPhone, and literally all you need to do is type in mail, just like this. And then the first one that will pop up is this one, and we all know with the blue iconic logo, you want to make sure to click on this download logo or icon right here, and then you can see it already being downloaded again, and then you can simply use the mail app again over on your iPhone. So that's how you can fix if your mail app is gone on your iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.